right, guys, we just did a run. Man, it was freaking ridiculous. So almost feathering first gear, was grabbing but spinning but pulling at the same time. Hit second gear. Oh man, these are warm. Man, these are warm. Second gear, completely grabbed. I mean, it just completely grabbed. And then third gear grabbed, fourth, and so on. So these tires are definitely living up to the name. Man, Mickey Thompson. These are the new, I've never even had these before, and I've ran bias ply before. These are the ET Street R. Yeah, there you go. Okay, ET Street R. So I've never had these before. Back in the day when I did run slicks, it was all about Hoosier, because I ran Mickey Thompson and the Hoosiers just grabbed better. These set of tires are ridiculous. I mean, dude, I'm shaking right now. I am shaking, man. I got, my adrenaline is up there. I did notice that these guys right here, these little Skinnies, man, if you don't know what you're doing, you're dead. You're throwing it into the wall, you're throwing it into the ditch. So definitely think twice when you're gonna run a car with this much power and have a set of damn Skinnies on it. Even a slight turn. On one of the slight turns, I felt the car kind of losing itself, right? Because the back wheels, you got to remember, they're not solid as a rock. These are not they don't got the steel belt, DOT steel belting. They have just freaking a rubber compound, a soft rubber compound, as you can see, that just grab the road traction, especially at a track. So man, that was awesome. Let's go out and do a couple more pulls. I'm very impressed. I mean, I gotta admit, I am impressed like a mother, man, like a mofo. So let's go out there and run it one more time, or a few more times, and then see if it wants to break loose at all. I mean, look at it. Today's what, about a 75-degree day. The road is not that hot. I've got the tires, the Mickey Thompson's, aired down to 20 psi. So we're not even, normally at the drag strip I would race them at 15, but man, 20 is good. 20 is good enough for me now. Man, I'm just impressed. I can't believe it, man. I am impressed, very impressed with these rims and tires. And like I said, man, it feels like a entirely different car. It feels like a lightweight go-kart, especially with the way the exhaust is, the monstrosity of loudness. It just feels like just a hollow go-kart with a big old motor in it. So impressed, very happy. Money well spent, every single penny well spent. So let's do it again and let's see what we come up with.
Waste my time. Don't say I never told you. Go, get out of my mind. I refuse to be a soldier.